Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making a whipped soap that is light and fluffy with little ingredients, just 3 ingredients, and this is a soap you can make anytime, even for a beginner. So we'll be using some things like our perfume. This is our foam booster. We'll be using our oil. We are using 2.5 liters of oil. Okay, this is my PKO. This is my palm oil. The PKO is already in the pot. Okay, these are my caustic soda flakes, and then of course I'll be using a measuring cup. That's my glycerin here. This is the glycerin that will make the soap moisturizing. Okay, and then our water. Now we are going to measure our palm oil. Our PKO is already in the pot. This is 1 liter of palm oil going in, and then we'll be pouring 500 mils of palm oil. Okay, so all in all we have 2.5 liters of oil that we are using for this soap. Then for our caustic soda pills, you will use 920 to 1200 mils of water. Now because we are making a soap that we want fluffy, you can add extra water to it to make it soft, nice to scoop, and also fluffy. Okay, so that's the amount of water we are using. We are putting our oil on fire. I'm doing it hot process. Okay, I don't want any issue with this soap. I want anybody to be able to use it, and I don't want to sit down waiting for it to cure. Okay, this is not a tablet soap, so I'm not interested in curing it for a long time. You know, hot process soap has a shorter cure time, especially if you do your right measurements and all that. Honestly, that soap can be used even in 3 days if you know what you're doing. Okay, so this is my water. I'm using 1200 mils. Remember, I gave you the range you can use. Then these are my caustic soda pearls. About 391 grams of our sodium hydroxide. Okay, so I'm going to mix it and allow it to clear up, but it will still be hot before I pour. Okay, jama'a 'yan uwana Hausawa masu jin Hausa, muna yin sabulu da ake kira whipped soap, wato sabulu da za ku gan shi kamar mai, amma yana nan da laushi. Ka ɗiba shi bai da wahalan ɗibawa. Shi ba kamar face soap ba, shi kamar cream haka. Ka gan shi da laushi, bai da wuyan amfani da, ka ji shi daɗi a hannu, very soft and silky haka. To ina amfani da manja na lita 1.5, PKO Palm Kernel Oil na lita 1. In kana da coconut oil kana iya ka amfani da shi. Ko? So manja na lita 1.5, PKO na lita 1. Sai na ɗiba ruwa na lita 1 da bai kai lita 1.5 ba dai. Lita 1 da 200 grams. Ko? Da 200. Sai na ɗiba caustic ɗina mai zafi ɗin nan, shi 391, wato 309 da 1. That is gram, bai kai kilo ba, bai kai rabin kilo ba, amma ya wuce rabin kilo. So sai na zuba shi a cikin ruwa, na juya shi, na bar shi da zafin shi, amma na ɗan bar shi ya clear. Kuna gani ko? Sai yanzu na sa mai na a wuta. Ban bar su sun wani zafi ba dai. Sai na haɗa. Abin da ya sa ne haka nan, ba na son sabulun ya daɗe yana zama. Ina son ko da nan da kwana 3 kawai sai in sa a cikin robobi na. Amma in baka yi shi da kyau ba, wani sabulu sai ka bar shi ya kusan sati. Ni ba na son in sati ina jira. Ina son nan da kwana 1-2 kawai zan sa abu na roba kai kasuwa, mu ba abin da zai faru da shi. So gashi nan kun ga ina juyawa a hankali. Welcome back. So you can see I'm pouring in my caustic a little at a time. Why I'm doing this is because my caustic is hot, my oil is warm. So I first tested it to be sure that it's not going to misbehave before I now poured in my lye water and I'm mixing gradually. I'll keep on mixing until it hardens up a bit. Then I'll close my pot, give it time to trace properly and for it to harden a little bit more before I'll now bring it down from the pot and keep it. Okay. So if you are a new subscriber, thank you for subscribing to my channel. For my older subscribers, hello everyone, long time no see. Thank you for coming back to watch our videos. If you're just passing by, you just stumbled across our channel, we are very grateful. We are happy to have you. Okay, we would love you to come back again. You can do this by subscribing to our channel. So you saw when the soap has cooled down a bit, then now I'm whipping it. What you saw me adding there is my ingredient that I want to add to the soap. You can make the soap as you please. If you want to add let's say fruit juice, you want to add milk, you want to add herbal extracts, you want to add essential oils, it all depends on you. So after I've whipped it in, I'm adding my glycerin. My glycerin here is about 200 mils, okay? But I ended up not adding all. So all in all, I'll say I added about 150 mils of glycerin to this soap, okay? And then don't forget I have a foam booster. My foam booster all in all is about 500 mils. Okay, so it's about 500 mils of foam booster. You can see the soap, how fluffy and how soft, how light it is. You see, it looks like cream. Very nice and easy to use. I tried this soap, I didn't want to stop using it. Easy to scoop. Okay, so now if you want your soap to be harder, to be more fluffier than this, you will use about 900 mils of water. You not use up to that 1200 mils of water. After you've done this, you get your containers ready, you sterilize them, and don't forget to add your preservative at this stage. Your preservative should be 1% of your whole batch. Okay, I used sodium benzoate. So these are my containers. They are already, I'm doing this in the night. This soap also, I would like you to know that if you wish, you can add colors to it. Then you can now make designs using perhaps 2 or 3 colors. But honestly, I'm the one doing this work alone. If you decide to do that and you have a large batch, you will get tired. So I just made a simple design and this is my final packaging. Isn't it beautiful? Thank you all for watching my video. If you have any question, you can ask me, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel to encourage us. Thanks for watching. Bye.